This video will demonstrate the certification process on the Young STEM Leader online platform. This process is undertaken by tutor assessors when young STEM leaders complete the award, and it allows the certificates to be generated on the online platform and downloaded once the process is complete. To begin the certification process, head to the Certification tab on the Tutor Assessor dashboard, and then to start a new certificate request, click New Certificate Request. This then opens up the certificate request form, and remember that you must complete internal verification before you can request a certification. To put details into the certificate request, this can be done in two ways, either by bringing data from the website from an existing Young STEM Leader account, or by adding Young STEM Leader details manually. To bring up details from the website, click Add Young STEM Leader from the website. This brings up a list of your existing cohort of Young STEM Leaders and select the ones that are ready to be certificated in this batch. You can only certificate one level at a time. Then click Add Selected Young STEM Leaders. This will populate the table automatically, and it's a good idea to check through this data to make sure that it's correct. Any changes can be made manually by typing in the boxes or by clicking the drop-down menus that are highlighted in grey. The Scottish candidate number is only required for the formal levels of the programme, so this can be left blank for a non-formal award, but must be completed in order to achieve a formal award for a Young STEM Leader. You can also add Young STEM Leader details manually by clicking the right-hand button. You can then type in information such as their name and Scottish candidate number, and again, make sure to double check the level, the sex, and the date of birth. To remove a Young STEM Leader from this list, just click Remove. We will then ask for some information about your centre, such as the type of centre, and a declaration that all of your logs are completed and that you have completed internal verification. We will then ask for your centre's postcode, which you can type into that box, and for the name of your internal verifier. This will be used in the case of external verification. If your centre is a school, this is the time to enter your centre's seed code, which you will be able to get from your school office. And if you haven't completed internal verification via the online platform, there is a place for you to upload your IV1 or declaration form. If you completed it on the online platform, you do not have to upload your form. Check over the data and then click Submit Certification Request to continue the process. We will then receive that certification request, and the Young STEM Leader team will review the request before moving on to the next stage. When the certificates are ready, the names of Young STEM Leaders with available certificates will appear under Approved Certificates. You can then individually select Young STEM Leader certificates to download, or you can select all and download all of the available certificates. The certificates will then be downloaded as a PDF in a compressed folder. You can then open the certificates, save them as PDFs, and email them or send them in another way to your Young STEM Leaders.